First, let's talk about the star of the show, gelatin unflavored. Unsweetened gelatin powder is your best friend here. It's fantastic for joint health. A glossy coat, and is super easy for dogs to digest. Always opt for plain gelatin to avoid added sugars or artificial sweeteners that can be harmful to your pet. Next, we'll prepare our liquid base. For every single tablespoon of gelatin, you'll need about half a cup of liquid. You can use water, but for added nutrition and flavor, unsalted, unseasoned bone broth, or even cooled, plain green tea are excellent choices. Gently heat your liquid in a saucepan over low heat. We don't want it boiling, just warm enough to dissolve the gelatin. Once it's warm, sprinkle in your gelatin powder and whisk continuously until there are no lumps and it's completely dissolved. This should take just a couple of minutes. Now for the fun part, a circumflex euros flavor. For fruity delights, you can mash or finely chop dog-safe fruits like blueberries, strawberries, or even pureed melon. If you're going for a savory option, a tiny amount of finely shredded cooked chicken or beef, completely unseasoned, works wonders. Remember, moderation is key with any additions. Carefully stir your chosen flavorings into the warm gelatin mixture. Ensure everything is well combined. If your dog has sensitive digestion, start with just a small amount of flavor. We're aiming for subtle and appealing, not overpowering. To achieve the perfect texture and portion size, silicone molds are your best bet. Think ice cube trays, small muffin tins, or even fun-shaped cookie cutters. Pour the mixture evenly into your molds. These will be easy to pop out once set and make for perfect bite-sized treats. Once your molds are filled, carefully transfer them to the refrigerator. Let them chill for at least 23 hours, or until completely firm. You'll know they're ready when they have that classic jiggly jelly texture. And there you have it, a circumflex euros. Nutritious and delicious homemade jelly treats for your dog. They're perfect for training, a special reward, or even a supplementary food boost. Always serve in moderation as part of a balanced diet, and enjoy seeing your dog's happy tail wags.